Oppo has launched the Reno 16 and Reno 16 Pro smartphones in China. The phone is available in Moonlit Night Black, Dreamy Blue, and Heart-Fluttering Stars shades. Reno 16 Pro arrived with a larger 6.78-inch 1.5K OLED panel with 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate support and up to 3600 nits local peak brightness. The Reno 16 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500's processor paired with LPDDR5X or LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage. Feature a triple camera setup consisting of a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. A 50MP ultra-wide selfie camera as well. Reno 16 Pro pack a 7000 mAh battery with support for both 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. The Oppo Reno 16 Pro starts at 3,699 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.